Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix Vina broken output in DS Visualizer. So let's just open this. Okay, I misspelled something. It's Visualizer. Okay, if you want to know how to install DS Visualizer on Ubuntu, I have a tutorial written on it, and there is a link in the description box below. This is the written tutorial on this fixing the broken Vina output in DS Visualizer. So generally when we open our Vina output in DS Visualizer, it appears broken. Let me show you how. Okay, fine. It appears like this. So you can see this is not a complete compounded structure, and I set to 9 output poses, but it is showing more than 9. I mean, because it's in fragments, so it is showing around 35. To fix this, we have to ensure whether this output is broken or not. So let's open Vina. Okay, so in Vina I open the same Vina output. No, it's not broken, it's actually good. So, and you can see there are 9 poses here. To fix this issue, so we have to split the poses of Vina output into PDB files. You don't have to do it manually in Vina. You can use my Python script for that, available on GitHub under the VS analysis package. If you click over it, you will go to the split poses folder and you will find this file, spreadvinaposes.py. So using this script, you can actually split all the poses into separate PDB files, and then you open the required pose PDB files. Suppose if you are taking first pose, so they will be like pose 001 and up to 9, there will be separate poses. You can also use this script for if you are docking multiple proteins with multiple ligands. So you can see there are 3 folders, protein 1, and there is the output of Vina. For example, I have docked 4 ligands, so there is 4 ligand output. So you can keep different protein output in different folders, and then you run this script here, and then you will get multiple poses under the folder split poses. Okay, so I'm not going to demonstrate this script, so I already have this pose from here. Now let's open this one in DS Visualizer. Now it is complete. So whatever pose you want to take to study further, for example first, second, so you can use this, you can use that pose, you can use the PDB file of that pose, and you will get the complete compound. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. And if you want to watch such video tutorials on bioinformatics, so don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and you can also subscribe to our magazine if you wish to read articles on bioinformatics. So that's all for today, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.